So, timber decks are empty. Need to go and fill up some more wood. Look at all these lovely toys here. I'm not going to use any of them. I'm going to go old school. Oh, we got the deck there to fill up on the wood cutter. So I need some 16-inch diameter for that. And there's only one bit of kit I'm going to use, and it is the classic case with the old piano lever timber trailer. Old school, but does the job. Here we go. Right, your old girl. Let's get in here. Right. Classic olden. Right, got to push that in, remember that. There we go again. Bloody hell, it stinks in here. Something's died. There is a whiff of dead rat. Oh my god. Not in there. Right. Oh, there's something in the roof. Something's died. Oh, poor old girl. Right, let's see if we start up. Here we go. Follow the clutch. Here we go, girl. Why aren't you working? Oh, I've got to put your foot down further. No, someone's left it in gear. Yeah. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Oh, she is. Oh. Wow, listen to that. Flat 6. What an engine. Here we go. Oh crap, there's a tree there. Here we go. Find the gear. Yeah, in there. Give it a bit of this. Go forward now. That's it. Here we are. Oh, I got missed that tree just there. Right. Put the old girl up here now. Lovely ash. Let's get some of that on. See if the old girl works. Right, feet up, down. Feet goes down. Get the other foot. Oh. Right, that is one incredible bit of kit. That is awesome.